we all have a contribution to make, regardless of background, regardless of education levels. And that's important, and our voices are important.
I think one of the real positive things from our 2020 cohort is the way in which mentees were matched with mentors. It also seemed that the mentoring process was quite a dual process. So it wasn't just the mentee learning off the mentor, but there was a bit of reciprocal learning there, which was also really nice to be part of.
I could never have imagined that in the time of COVID, in a time of lockdown, that my life could have expanded so much, and the life of the women that I was being mentored with could have expanded so much, and that we could have made connections which are probably there for life.
It's changed me so much. I am now even more determined to advocate, to speak on behalf of women who are not able to speak for themselves. And that is all thanks to Wen, because I was able to learn about advocacy and public speaking, which has really given me a lot of confidence. I'm a lot more confident now and more determined.
You know, there was a kind of a collective feeling of celebrating together, of commiserating together if that needed to happen, for guidance, support, and this sort of genuine solidarity without competition or judgment.
The When mentoring scheme definitely helped me in becoming a candidate and has helped me throughout my campaign, being able to ask people to help more with more confidence and really build that team, as well as public speaking and taking part in opportunities like this.
I'd really encourage people to apply for the mentoring programme. It gives you access to a wealth of knowledge, a wealth of support, and a wealth of guidance. I would especially encourage women of colour to go for this programme. I think that we need more representation. You know, apply for the programme. You will not regret it.
The benefits have been enormous. I can genuinely say that my life has been transformed. It's just been hugely empowering, both in terms of being given the tools to connect and know how to connect with public life. But secondly, to know that I have this network of women, mentees and mentors, who have my back, as it were, and will support me and be my cheerleader, whatever I do, is phenomenal. Every woman should have it.
It's a phenomenal scheme, and Wen are doing such a brilliant job with it. It's just amazing to be amongst women who are so supportive, who are ambitious, who believe in themselves, who want to help and support other women. There's no better place to be, really. You will never regret it. Just do it.